laging reminder sa akin is humility talaga. The humility, yun yung laging binabalikan ko is process. It's a very hard process. It's a very hard process to really remove myself from the limelight. Tapos makita si Lord na siya yung pinaka nasa limelight. Siya yung main character, kumbaga. Yun yung major takeaway ko eh. Kasi the moment I remove myself from the center, parang the more meaning it gives sa akin. Na parang when they start to know the Lord, they would start to know who are the people that the Lord loves. Alam mo yun, yung relationship. Ako naman, wala naman, makilala man nila ako. Wala lang, yun lang. Kilala lang nila ako. Pero the moment that they recognize the power ng faith, ng love, coming from the Lord, transformative siya for me. And the lesson for me is always to remove myself from the center and to let people recognize the generosity of the Lord through Cruzada Project. Kasi hindi ko na-imagine na parang kaya kong i-sustain yung sarili ko sa pamagitan lang ng Cruzada Project, ng art. Ngayon, nakakatulong ako sa family through art. And parang that's enough for me. Parang the generosity of the Lord, I want them to see that. Yung takeaway ko na ang babalikan lagi is the goodness of the Lord. Na sana sa journey ng Cruzada Project, makita nila yung si Lord ay hindi madamot. Si Lord ay nakikipag-journey sa tao, sa atin. Kaya that for me is always the war cry, kumbaga, ng Cruzada Project. Kasi pag siya yung naging center, parang yung community, I meet new people because of that. Kasi hindi naman tungkol lahat sa akin to eh. And I enjoy the companionship of other people. Kaya siguro, if there's one thing na take away ko, it's always the humility. And it's never easy. It's never easy. Kasi minsan alam mo yun, naka-overwhelm ka din na parang, uy, ang galing mo, ang ganda ng art, ang ganda ng Cruzada, ang galing ng pagka-curate. Parang tempting siya na parang kunin yung credits para sa akin lang. And that for me, I would always remind myself now, this is not about me. This is about Him. And actually, yung tattoo kong isa, tungkol lahat sa message na to, na parang it's always a reminder for me to decentralize, to remove me from the center, and allow God to shine and to be seen, kumbaga.